looks awesome. Box. Another box. So this is who I sent it to. CSS. Got a CSS system in this thing. Man, I don't even want to touch it on anything. But yeah, so this is the new build basically. This is what I'll be throwing in my 91 Sedan. Turbo build, obviously, with awesome shit. I'll go over the parts when I get to them. So, but yeah, this is the next project, or what we're working on right now, basically. I'm deciding if I want to paint the block or not. I'm not sure if I want to. I haven't decided yet, but it's definitely a thought if I should paint the block or not. Because, I mean, like, yeah, still kind of iffy, but I think if we did paint the block, it would look a lot better. Then we got these piston rings. These are the new piston rings that came with the new pistons, the 76mm pistons. Some NPR. Oh yeah, those look pretty nice. Oh, that's gonna be so good. The clearances on that thing. Yeah, I paid like $150 for these pistons. A lot better than having to get a new block, so that's good. I'd rather get new pistons than new block. Yes, these are my old pistons. So those are the pistons I was gonna put in them. They're 75.5mm, and they're not gonna work. Rip. But that's okay. Once again, just like to thank CSS for this awesome job on this block. It looks awesome and amazing. I can't wait to drive this thing because it's gonna be freaking awesome, guys. And we got this box. This is my crankshaft. Yeah, you can tell. That's awesome. They used my old piston. These are my piston cups. And they covered it. Yeah, that works. I'm gonna pull this thing out. So I'd send this up with the block as well. Got the piston, got the crankshaft polished because I'm not just gonna not do it. So, and here is the crankshaft, all nice and polished. Look at that. Just shines in every single one. That looks awesome. Sweet. So, this is the next project. Single overhead cam turbo build. Definitely gonna be a fun one. First turbo build. First any build really. Like, that has to do with engine itself. Like, I've done simple bolt-ons, but like anything like this, that's crazy. But yeah, so this is the block that we pulled out of the 93 Civic. It's the whole reason I bought the car. It's for the D60 and Z6. It's the only reason I bought it. And then I pulled the B2 out of the 91, put it in the 93. That's why I'm selling it for more car part money. Yeah, guys, so if you'd like to see where this goes and like to see this thing done in the future, please subscribe and like the videos and share it with every single person that you know in the whole entire freaking world, because this is freaking awesome. Like, this will be fun. So if you guys are trying to do this, or like curious, or you want to learn with me, because I've never done this before, I'm just learning as I go, basically. Yeah, please just like, subscribe, share the videos.